Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys, I know you guys can tell in the title, I will be talking about the Ulta Beauty and Harry Potter palette. Well, it's a little collection that they came out with, but I only got the Gryffindor palette and a lip gloss here, so I'm going to be using these two today. I have some thoughts on this because I feel like they low-key could have done better. I don't know what it is. I feel like this had so much. They could have just done better, you know, like a lot of there is a lot of Harry Potter fans out there, and my sister is one of them, and we both were talking about how they could have done better with this, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. I am excited to use it because, first of all, I tried looking at all of them and they were all okay. They're cute. But I was like, which one am I going to be able to use more and see if I can use it? And I found that this one I was gravitating to the most. Of course, the green one was very, very nice. But I got this and I was just a tad bit confused. The color scheme is very cute, but I wish there was a bit more of like a burgundy. Like this is burgundy, but I was like more like of a reddish burgundy. I don't know if you guys know what I mean. I feel like with the names, if they could have done a little bit better. I feel like I'm just going straight to this. Because I'm just trying to get it out of the way. It was affordable. I did like that it was affordable. I haven't swatched any of these, so when I do, I'll put them up here for you guys so you guys can see. I'm very, very intrigued of using these colors right here because the shimmer, I feel like this one looks really, really nice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch Passion. We're gonna talk about the names right now, but this is Passion and it looks like this. It does feel very nice and buttery, which I like. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch another one. I'm gonna just go in with this. This is the other one. This is called Cocoa. I'm sorry. I don't even know why would they. Is it Cocoa or Cocoa? I'm not sure, but it's this one right here. I don't know what's up with the names, but it looks like this. I feel like this palette, this is what I was trying to say this whole time. This palette had a lot of potential, especially being Harry Potter. I don't know why they didn't do better. Honestly, the only thing that kind of got my attention the most were the brushes. I just didn't buy those because I didn't need the brushes and I couldn't spend that much money. That's why I got the palette and the gloss so I can do a video on it. But other than that, I like the front of it. I like the way this is looking. Very, very nice. I like the packaging. It does feel very like ColourPop kind of vibes, but it's nothing bad. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys the names. So this one is called Peach, Autumn, Chocolate Frog, Pure, Passion, Howler, Mandrake, Chestnut, and Cocoa. So I actually had to go to Google and I realized you're supposed to pronounce it as Cocoa. My bad. So ignore every time I say Cocoa. I don't know why I would do that. I'm so dumb. I'm sorry. So those are the names. Let me know in the comments below what do you guys thought about the palette. What do you guys think of the collections? I don't know if it's still on their website, so if you guys want to go and check that out, you guys can. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little tutorial using the palette, and I'm gonna be using this little lip gloss. This is in the shade what is the shade on this? What is it? I don't know. When I do find out, I will for sure put the names here. So let's just go ahead and get started. I really want to start this. I also want to tell you guys a little side note. I feel like I've been obsessed the way my skin is looking lately, and it's because I have been using like a different spray. This is a Maybelline New York glass spray, so this is going to give you like that glass skin like finish look, and it's very very dewy. So if you guys are very dry skin and want like a drugstore setting spray, I would recommend this one. If you like that like dewy skin, this is gonna give you that. You could even use it without makeup. You can just put it on and your skin will for sure look very dewy. I don't know what kind of look I'm going for. I do want to add a little bit of pizzazz to this, and I'm going to be using some of these GETSTONNED stones. I'll talk more about these later on in the video, but those are just so good. I highly recommend them. So we're gonna go ahead with the palette. I don't know what I want to do, what kind of vibe I'm trying to go for today, but we're gonna go with the flow. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Chestnut. We're gonna go in with Autumn, this shade right over here. I'm gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna kind of slowly get there. I didn't try to get too much because I don't want to go cray with this. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of apply this out here in the outer corner. I do want to say that I did use a Milk Makeup Flex concealer for this, so we're just gonna go ahead and just buff all of this out and just blend it all out here. I'm telling you guys, I feel like they could have come out with some yellow up in there, some burgundies. Like, I just feel like they could have done better with the color scheme and even the names. Like, I don't know what's up with the names, but I'm not a big fan of them. Or maybe I'm just being too harsh, I don't know. But we're gonna see how the palette works. I think that's what matters the most. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of buff this out. So far I am liking it. I do feel like it's a little bit hard to not blend, but to get like a really nice blend on the edges. So I'm gonna go in with a cleaner brush and just kind of like fan it out a little bit, just so it can not be so harsh. I don't know what I'm gonna be feeling it. I'm also gonna go ahead and get the same shade Autumn that I was using on my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the inner corner and just kind of deepen a little bit of the inner corner here and just kind of blend that out. You guys, I have been feeling so down lately. I think it's because my PMS. I don't know if this happens to you guys, but I get like anxiety sometimes during my PMSing days. It's just so bad. Yesterday, you guys, it was so bad. I was so angry. But you know when you feel like really angry to a point where like this is not even normal to feel this angry for no reason? That's what I was feeling, and I had to like literally go to my room, right here in my room, and I literally had to just cry it all out because I was like, what is going on? This is way too much. There's literally no reason for me to be this upset, and just it was just too much. I really hate being on my period. Sorry if this is too much information for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Peach, which is this color right here. It's like a nice nude color. So we're going to be using that to just kind of like clean the edges off a little bit, and so it won't look too harsh. I'm gonna also bring that a little bit up to the brow bone just to get like a nice blend there. I'm gonna be doing the same thing to this eye. It's really nice. I actually like that color a lot. I feel like it's giving me like this nice beautiful blend. So I really like that. I want to go ahead and go back and forth with Autumn and Peach and just kind of blend those together. That it actually looks very nice. I'm gonna go in with Chocolate Frog, this shade right here, and I'm going to be using that to go right here under the eye. I'm gonna just tap that off a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and just smoke it out a little bit out here. So far palette's working good. It's pretty decent for the price point. I actually like it. I don't hate it. The only thing I hate, like I said, were the names, and like I feel like they could have done way better with these palettes. I don't know what's up. They should have not rushed it if that's what they did, because I feel like it could have been really good, and I don't know what they did there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Chestnut, which is this purple lavender. No, it's like a deep plum purple. And we're going to be using that to just kind of like blend it out here a little bit under this Chocolate Frog shade. So far, you guys, it's doing its job. Pretty easy to use. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it. It's like literally so far I can give it like maybe like a 7. I'm not like, wow, I'm so amazed at it. Like, I'm not like that, but not too shabby, you know. So we're gonna go in with Chocolate Frog again with this brown shade here, and I'm going to deepen my inner corner like I like to do here, and just kind of give it a little bit more depth like so. And we're also going to be doing the same thing to the other eye. Just kind of like does a different type of eye shape and vibe, which I love so much. Do you guys see the vibe that I'm going for? And I'm also going to just kind of do this and wing it out a little bit here. Just darken this little section up a bit to the bottom like this. See how that is looking? That is so dope. I like that. So I mean, I like the fact that I'm able to pull off a dope look with this. I don't want to do like a really simple look, since the palette to me seems a little bit simple. So I kind of want to test it out and see what I can do with all these colors. So far, I am loving it. So I'm gonna go in with Howler. No, actually, I'm gonna go in with Cocoa right here, which is it Cocoa? I think, is it Cocoa? Cocoa? I don't know. We're gonna go in with that. And it's like this. And I'm gonna be using this for my outer corner. Just a tad bit like this. That is really nice and pigmented. Do you guys see that? That looks really, really good. Now, I was not expecting that shade to look like that. Like I said, I haven't swatched them yet, so I just didn't know how it was going to look on my eye. But so far, that is really, really nice. With my other finger, I am going to go in with Howler, which is this shade right here. It's another shimmery one. So I'm going to go in with this. And I'm going to be adding that one next to Cocoa. And I'm going to add it a little bit on top and just blend that in. Like so. Do you guys see that? We're just gonna blend those shades together. Okay, so far, you guys, okay, I'm not upset. You know what? It could have been worse. Now I'm gonna go in with Passion, but I am gonna be grabbing a little flat brush because I do feel that I'm gonna kind of go really in there on my eyes. So we're gonna go in with Passion, this shade right over here, and we're going to be adding that to the inner corner like so. That is very, very nice. Do you guys see that? That super, super cute. And then just kind of blend those shades together. Inner corner. Just so I can get like a nice glow. Do you guys see that? That. I did not expect that. Go ahead and just do that. And I'm going to add this on my brow bone because this shade is just wowsies. Wow. I was not expecting that. Super nice, you guys. Okay, this palette is not too bad. I think I was expecting very Harry Potter, like, you know, give me that Harry Potter vibes, because you know what, Harry Potter is such a good movie, and I feel like they deserve a good palette, you know, they do. So I used most of all the colors from this palette, and I actually like it a lot. So it's gonna go from a 7 to an 8. I like it, you guys. The only shades I didn't use was Pure and Peach, were these colors right here. I didn't use these two, but I really, really do like the palette. Like I said, packaging could have been better. The names of the could have been better. Like, come on, like, you should have gotten like a Harry Potter fan and named these shadows, because I feel like it could have been better. But anyways, maybe there's something behind that and they couldn't use some of the names. Who knows? So we're going to go in with Get Stoned, because I really want to give it this like Gryffindor, Harry Potter vibes. You know, give it that yellow hit there. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. These are Get Stoned, and I'm obsessed with these. These are now available to purchase on BH Cosmetics. If you guys don't know, I'm going to be posting their Instagram here for you guys so you guys can check them out, and the link for their website down below so you guys can check them out. They're so good, and I highly recommend them. They just look stunning, and I'm going to be using them today on my video just to kind of give it a little shazazz on my look. So we're going to go ahead and just add some stones. These stones I'm going to be using are going to be like a little black and silver moment. They're just so nice. And I'm going to be using this one, which is like a yellowy, like a white gold, and this color yellow. And I'm going to be using these. So I'll be putting these little stones off camera, and I'll be right back. I will also be coming back with some lashes and some mascara so we can go ahead and move on with this lip gloss. Okay guys, I am back. Do you guys see how stunning these little jewels are? I'm going to lower the light a little bit lower so you guys can see. Like, there's just so stunning. They look amazing when the sun hits them. If you guys are intrigued, go ahead and check them out on Instagram. Go on her website. It is amazing. I highly recommend getting these little Get Stoned stones. And it also comes with a little applicator. It comes with 2 sides. And you can buy this in her website. It's amazing, you guys. Super easy to pick them up and just kind of like place them there. And I just did it with lash glue. It's perfect. So now we're going to go in with the lip gloss. This is, I still don't even know what shade this is, to be honest. Let's go ahead and apply this. I think it's called Howler. It does have a little name there, so maybe it's called Howler. So we're going to go ahead and see the color. We're going to do a little swatch here. Oh my god, look at that. So we're going to go ahead and swatch that here. Do you guys see how deep that is. So I'm gonna do, what I'm going to do is add like a brown lip liner before I add this, because it is a tad bit too pink for me, and I kind of want to go with the flow with my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. This is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip liner in number 3. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply this. This looks very, very nice and rich. I don't know if it's gonna be too like goopy or like too, you know how lip glosses are. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of it because it's very pigmented there. So we're just gonna add a little bit on the lips. Oh, you guys see that? So it is looking like this. I actually like that lip gloss, and it feels really nice on the lips because my lips are really dry right now. But I actually like it with the combo with the e.l.f. lip liner. I think it does very, very well of a combo. So I really, really like it, you guys. Honestly, this palette was affordable. I do give it an 8. I do feel like the names could have been better. I did use most of the palette. I actually liked the way it worked. I obviously did more stuff to my eye because I just wanted to do a little more shazazz here, shazazz, pizzazz, you know, just a little bit boom, bitty, bomb, bomb. I don't know what I just said there, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I really, really like it. The shimmers were amazing. They're very, very pigmented. I did not expect them to be that pigmented, to be honest. Like I said before the video, I did not swatch them. I just really wanted to do like a first impressions for you guys. So yeah, well, let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what you guys think of this palette. Let me know what you guys think of the gloss. Let me know what you guys think in general in the comments below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just really need to sit down and do my makeup, and it feels nice to do that. You guys have no idea. This week has been rough, like rough. And I think I'm still having a rough day in general, but I'm just trying to pull through it, you know? And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys are always watching my videos, you guys are the best. I love you guys so much. And if you guys are always commenting on my videos, you guys are the best. I know who you guys are. Thank you guys so much. For those who are not subscribed to my channel and are watching this video for the first time, I would love for you to be part of my little fam bam. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, which I will for sure be posting a picture of this look, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm also posting on TikTok. And yeah, that's it. That's all I gotta say to you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.